Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 2, 2023, X Sudoku, 9th grade, and 4th row. We have pair numbers 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, we have 4, 3, 8. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We confirm later. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. In this diagonal, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. 9th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column C, and in this diagonal, we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 6. 7th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 5. 7th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 10th row, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. The 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 1, 2, 6. The 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Confirm later. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 8, 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column F, and 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column C, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column J, and 5th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 9. 3rd row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come here one of these cells. 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then in this diagonal, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. then 7 is here. In this diagonal we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. In this diagonal we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 6th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column C and 4th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 5th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8, it will come here one of these cells, confirm later. In this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column J we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column J we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 3rd grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. 2nd row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row we have 5 and 7, so 5 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 2nd row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 3rd row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. And then 2 is here. 3rd row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.